ESO Inventory is available to all fire and EMS agencies to provide the capability for tracking all medications and medical supplies. ESO Inventory is built on the concept of ease of use, just like all other ESO applications, to provide supply coordinators and providers the peace of mind in knowing what and where their stock levels are to ultimately be response ready. Clicking on the ESO Inventory icon takes us into the Action Now page, which displays these quick reference tiles across the top that show anything that may require immediate action for a given location or vehicle. As you can see in the upper right-hand corner, we're looking at the central stores location, but this provides the capability for a supply coordinator to move to any location or other vehicle in the system if necessary. The Action Now page displays things like current pending and in-progress transfers, as well as open orders, and more importantly, items that are expiring, below par, oversupplied, or expired. Clicking into the Expiring Items tab shows us a breakdown of all items expiring in the next 30 days or less, and gives us a drill down capability to see exactly where these items are on the shelves so they can be managed with the Actions button to be transferred to a station or vehicle so the expiring item could be used before it expires on the shelf. The same drill down capability is there for all locations as well, so that locations with an expiring item can be seen right from here if necessary, and these items can be transferred from within the system as well using the Actions button. This drill down concept also applies to all of the different Action Now tabs, and these tabs also provide for a quick capability to edit quantities and or ultimately remove an item from inventory if necessary. The inventory list is a master accounting of all supplies and medications at a given location or vehicle. As you may have noticed already, there are status icons that display for all items throughout the software that show the different applicable statuses of your medical supplies and medications. These statuses include on par, below par, oversupplied, expiring, and expired to give quick visual reference for managing an item at any location. Here in the inventory list, you can filter by medical supplies or medications, as you can see here, or by category if necessary. Also the capability to filter by status, as well as using predictive text search at the top to search by a certain item. We also provide a global or master search bar in the upper right-hand corner that allows for a global search in the system. Let's say you are notified of a nationally recalled lot number. Typing in that lot number here allows you a quick visual reference on where you may have that medication across your agency, so it can be quickly removed based on that national recall. Transfers allows for transfer requests to be made by remote stations or vehicles for resupply if necessary, as well as supply coordinators to manage and fulfill these transfers in the system. These transfer requests can be processed by supply coordinators, not just for below par items, but also for items that may be oversupplied or expired that need to be returned back to central stores if necessary. Orders provides the capability for creating and tracking any orders you may need to place with your supply vendors. ESO also provides Boundtree integration, which allows you to link your ESO inventory module with your Boundtree account and then place orders right from the Boundtree system. Adding an item to an order brings up a list of all matching items in the Boundtree system, providing a primary and secondary item, as well as the contract pricing for these items in your Boundtree account. This integration also provides for availability status from the Boundtree system, and then once an order is placed, the capability for tracking all shipping statuses, as well as then the ability to ultimately receive supplies in. ESO Inventory also provides the full tracking of controlled substances in the system using our Portable Assets module. From here, you have the capability to manage all of your controlled substances and whatever assets they may be stored in, like lockboxes or pouches. Portable Assets provides all of the necessary transactions needed for controlled substances tracking, including things like refilling or checking lockboxes in and out of safes, as well as doing full stock checks or reassignment of lockboxes during crew change. It also provides the capability for administering medications to where a crew member or provider can come in and ultimately document what amounts they have administered, how much has been wasted, along with the details there for the wasting of that medication. We also provide for crew verification, which allows providers to document that they were actually them, documenting what was administered and was wasted, along with the crew member that was there to confirm that that medication was wasted properly. All transactions in the Portable Assets module have the capability for crew verification to be fully DEA compliant. CS Oversights allows for the tracking of any of the transactions that occur in portable assets, so that ultimately a supervisor can come in and see something like a mistaken stock check or an incorrect stock check, documenting all the details around that stock check, including comments and notes, and then leaving that overview in a review or in complete status. ESO also provides an exclusive integration from our EHR into our inventory module. This allows for the tracking of supplies that are actually used during calls, documenting things like oxygen administration, IV therapy, or medications given in the ESO EHR or in any other EPCR, then allows the crew to come into ESO Inventory and rectify the items they may have used based on those flowchart items they documented in the chart. As you can see here, a number of calls having been documented, the capability then for the crew to come in and ultimately rectify what items they used based on those flowchart items from the chart itself, along with the quantities, including medications if necessary, then documenting that that call is finished, then allows for the crew to do a full stock check or restock their vehicles from any location they may need to in the software. If you would like to see a full demonstration of ESO Inventory, please feel free to register for a standing demo or reach out to your ESO account manager for more information on how to do that.